Ladies, may tanong ako sa inyo. Maghihintay ka pa ba ng bukol bago magpa-check for breast cancer? Paano kung sasabihin ko sa inyo, kayang-kaya nating makita ang breast cancer bago mo pa ito mararamdaman?
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
And Saturday.
Let me explain this simply. Ang mammogram, isang espesyal na x-ray ng breast na kayang makakita ng cancer kahit wala ka pang nararamdaman. Yes, before you feel symptoms. Kaya nitong makita ang maliliit na pagbabago sa breast na hindi pa kayang maramdaman ng kamay. At doon pumapasok ang power of screening. Hindi natin hinihintay ang bukol, hinahanap natin ang cancer ng maaga. So sino dapat ang magpamammogram? Women age 40 and above? Mas maaga kung may family history ka ng breast cancer. At palaging tandaan, hindi lang ito one-time test lang. Regular screening ang importante because cancer can develop over time kaya kailangan tuloy-tuloy ang monitoring. Marami ang natatakot magpamammogram. Doc, masakit ba? So let's be honest. Yes, may konting discomfort pero sandali lang. At kung ikukumpara mo sa benefit, mammogram can save your life. Mas dapat tayong matakot sa late detection, hindi sa test. Sa practice ko, may mga pasyente na walang nararamdaman pero dahil nagpamammogram, na-detect ang cancer ng maaga at ngayon, no evidence of disease na sila. That's the power of early screening. So do not wait for a lump. Don't wait for fear. Take control of your health today. And always remember, let your faith be stronger than your fears because cancer is not a death sentence and there is always hope. Thank you for watching Everything About Cancer with me, Doc Fred Ting. If you found this episode helpful, please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel so we can spread accurate and reliable information about cancer to more people. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming episodes. And always remember, let your faith be stronger than your fears because cancer is not a death sentence and there is always hope. Again, I'm Doc Fred Ting, and see you in the next episode of Everything About Cancer.
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
And Saturday.